Do you want to elevate your food? And I'm talking your roasts, your salads, your sandwiches, you name it. This is going to make everything you make taste better. I'm going to show you how to do this, and I think you are going to love this. Today I'm going to be making a balsamic fig reduction. Anything you're making, you can put this on, in my humble opinion. We have 2 cups of balsamic vinegar, and then I found these figs. They come in a package like this, and like I said, we're using dried figs. You can also do things with fresh, but today we're using dried. We're just gonna cut them up so that we have a cup of figs. That is perfect, and I had already cut up these figs, so there are your figs. And I've got a pot here, and we're going to put this vinegar in this pot, and then we're going to add the cup of figs as well. We're going to get this simmering, so I've got it on a medium-high heat. I am going to cover this until it gets simmering, and then we'll take that cover off. What we're going to do is try to reduce this by at least half. You can take this down as far as you want. Okay, so this has started boiling. I'm going to turn this down, and I'm just going to let it get to a simmer, but a little more forceful than a simmer. And we're going to give this a stir. As you can see, all those figs are in there, sweetening that up. And so I basically cut the figs in half. If they were really big, I cut them in quarters, but you don't want to break this. My temptation was to like mush them all up, but that does make this bitter, so we want to just leave them, you know, kind of in larger pieces. Just slightly over medium on my stove. And I'm going to leave them there, and I'm going to give this a stir every few minutes, and this will probably take, I don't know, probably about an hour. I let this reduce down for about an hour, and it got to a point where I'm happy with that. I know it has a lot of flavor, and it's gone down by about a half to a little bit more. And you can take this down as far as you want. I don't like it really, really thick. I want it so that it, you know, I can use it kind of as a dressing if I want to. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to strain this through cheesecloth, or if you have a clean towel or something like that. I'm going to just dump it right in here. Get everything out. You can see how much that's thickened up in there. Oh, and it smells heavenly, and it's got the sweet flavor from the figs. It's just, can't even believe how good this tastes. Okay, we'll leave that right there, and then I'm going to pick this up by the shorter sides because I don't want that to slip out. Okay, we're going to just pick this up, and you can let this just sit and drain by itself, but you can also just squeeze that. It looks kind of funny. I'm sorry, it just struck me funny. There's so much goodness in there. I hate to let any of it go by. Oh my gosh, that just smells so good. And you can tell by the way it's on the spoon and see how that's moving slowly? That's just what I wanted. I didn't want it too loose, and I didn't want it too thick, and I'm very happy with that. You can taste the balsamic, you can also taste the sweetness from the fig, and it is just a very, very wonderful flavor. And I guarantee you, if you try this on anything really, you're going to love it if you like vinegar. Okay, so these are Woozy bottles. I got these on Amazon, and the nice thing about them is they have the little shaker top. So I've got a little funnel, and we'll see how well this goes in here. It looks like it might be a little bit more, but maybe not. Let's look, it's perfect. It all fits. dokie. Okay. There is the best tasting magic vinegar you'll taste in a long time. Thank you.